Today, our students are here at the 2019 P2P Career Fair. The fair is held in North Mississippi, Biloxi Gulf Coast area, and this is the first year that we're having it here in the Central Mississippi area.
And you're going to push in, and you're going to be his helper and count to 15, and then you're going to do 2 breaths. Okay, you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hi, I'm Miss Williams from Bailey APAC Middle School. We brought the kids here today to experience different career paths. These students spend lots of time in the classroom and they're learning lots of skills that will be beneficial in their future careers. But today they have an opportunity to see what they learn in the classroom will benefit them in the real world. So they're really excited.
Our partners, United Way, P2P of Gulf Coast, and all of the vendors here today are telling our students about their careers and what they can expect. They can stay right here in Mississippi and have great productive jobs, and we want them to know about it.
I go to Bailey APAC, and today we're at the Convention Ctr, and we're participating in the activities for the career fair.
That it allows for a greater opportunity for students to get scholarships and potential jobs.
Apprenticeship program, I'm really into that.
Okay.
And plugging our students into more opportunities.
Yes, we have what's called GEMS. This is what we host in Vicksburg every year. They get hands-on interaction with the scientists and engineers, and they learn about science and engineering, mathematics, concrete, buildings, bridges, all those types of things.
As we walk around, we get to experience different activities, like, for example, with medical field, we get to do CPR, and with the technology field, we get to do VR, virtual reality things.
So we're showing the students here virtual reality, getting them through like a little experience where they're underwater with a big sunken ship and a big blue whale comes swimming by them. It's one of the most realistic experiences they can do in virtual reality. Can you see clearly in there?
Yes.
Not blurry at all?
No.
It helps you to get a real life feel of what it's like to be in that career field and gets you some experience.
Our middle school students are experiencing the career fair as a transition into the high school Academies of Jackson. During the 9th grade year, they'll explore colleges and careers, and then 10th grade, they'll make a decision about further studies in a career of their choice.
This morning, we're actually practicing check writing. We're actually practicing with students that's in our local area. They're actually practicing with check registers and checks, getting them prepared for finance career.
Who you're writing the check payable to. Okay.
You always want to start with the dates. Okay? So you write today's date, 11/7/19.
Getting this experience now shows them what career path would be right for them. Some of these students have no clue how these skills that they're learning in the classroom will benefit them to be a doctor.
I am Madison Walker and I go to Bailey APAC. I personally would like to be an anesthesiologist when I grow up. And this will help me get a feel and idea of how things will be, so I will have a better understanding in my career.
Some of them may even consider being a server, but then they hold that heavy tray and they realize maybe that's not something I want to do.
I'm a graduate of JPS. It's important for the kids to come here because they need to know that they have options and that they are able to do anything else that they put their mind to. So they have a whole bunch of different booths here that they could go different routes. You know, you don't have to go the traditional college route. You can pick up a trade. You can do many other things. Opposed to just reading about it, you get to actually work hands-on and actually be in your trade or your field that you're working in.
What are we farming with right here? What is this?
The tractor.
This is a tractor? All right, specifically it's called a combine, okay?
So we need all kinds of careers, people in all kinds of careers to serve the industry. And we employ 29% of the people in Mississippi work in the agriculture industry.
See her breathing? See her blinking? Look, I'm gonna make her scream. Oh! She runs by this path.
So everything that gets made these days, whether it's a car or a house or a motorcycle or whatever, everything's going to go through a computer. Drafting is where you take a design and you put it into the computer.
And so instead of wasting time in those late teen years and early 20s, they get a feel for where they want to spend their lives.